Hey friends, if you wish to modify the number of undo levels in Excel, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now it will be a little difficult, but I'll show you. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor. Go to the path H key current user, software policies and Microsoft. You will definitely find this path in the registry editor, but you may or may not find the following path. Like I don't have it. So create it. First key would be Office. You can take a screenshot of the path here. Okay. Right click on Microsoft, select new key Office. Okay. The next one would be 16.0. So right click on Office, new key 16.0. Next one is Excel. So uh, right click on the path, new key Excel. And last one is Options. So right click on the path, new key Options. Hit enter. Now we come to the right pane. We will create a Diva 32-bit entry named undo history. I won't mention it anywhere because it's easy to remember. Undo history. Right click, new Diva 32-bit value, undo history. And then you can change the value data. Double click on it. Change the value data to anything that you want as a number of levels. It could be 50, it can be 100, it can be more than 100, but I suggest don't keep it more than 100 because that will really utilize a lot of RAM even if you're not using it. So here's the thing, this is what you have to do to increase or decrease or change the number of redo levels in Microsoft Excel. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.